guys, welcome back to Bike Updater Pro, your ultimate destination for the latest motorcycle news and updates. Today, we're looking at the 2025 Yamaha FZ-X, a bike that blends rugged styling with modern performance, making it the perfect choice for urban explorers and adventure seekers alike. Bold design. The 2025 Yamaha FZ-XX stands out with its neo-retro design, featuring a muscular fuel tank, minimalist bodywork, and round LED headlamps that exude style and functionality. Its dual-purpose tires and high ground clearance emphasize its versatility, ready to tackle both city streets and off-road trails. Performance and power. Underneath its rugged exterior, the FZ-X is powered by Yamaha's refined 149cc air-cooled engine. With smooth power delivery and impressive fuel efficiency, this bike ensures a spirited yet economical ride. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising scenic routes, the FZ-X is up for the challenge. Advanced features. The FZ-X is packed with features for modern riders, including a fully digital LCD display, Bluetooth connectivity, and Yamaha's proprietary Y-Connect app for real-time bike insights. Safety is also prioritized with advanced braking systems featuring front and rear disc brakes with ABS, ensuring confidence in every ride. Comfort and practicality? Designed with rider comfort in mind, the 2025 FZ-X boasts an upright seating position, wide handlebars, and a plush seat. The bike also includes a multi-function carrier and USB charging port, making it practical for both daily commutes and longer adventures. Closing thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha FZ-X is more than just a bike. It's a statement of versatility, style, and practicality, perfect for riders who want to make the most of every journey. It's set to dominate urban roads and beyond. Stay tuned to Bike Updater Pro for more updates on the Yamaha FZ-X and all the latest from the world of motorcycles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay informed.